Uh, uh, just got a recent query. Let's see. It is Google Ads verification. Okay, I have an MCC account and have verified hundreds of clients over the years on Google Ads and LSA ads, local search ads. However, there is a recent change where Google Ads is requiring a selfie to match against the other ID documents. The first few clients who completed this selfie verification all got notices that they failed the verification for circumventing system and had their account suspended. I have checked with the clients and everything they are submitting looks correct. I'm wondering if anyone else has had this happen. Okay, most of you don't know, but this is happening. I have seen also in few of the Google accounts requiring selfie verification. Now, with selfie verification, as a manager account, you have helped clients verify with your own personal details. However, the client details remain different because your billing profile is not being used on them. So there is a contradictory over here, which is why your clients got their account suspended for circumventing system. I can understand it. So the procedure is you need to reach out to the Google with all of the individual account owners selfies and their business information. There is no harm to submit client business information. I do not know why you have submitted your own business information for the clients. That is a violation or a breach of Google Ads contract. So it's not recommended at all to submit your information when the Google is requiring you to directly submit the client information who is actually advertising. You are just managing it. And in case if you do the verification, you are also have permission to show yourself as a manager, and you can show that we are not the one who owns a product, but we are managing it. There is also this option when you are doing verification in Google Ads. You can just use that policy to apply and get your Google Ads verification done, and you will be fine. There will not be any selfie issue. But if you see a still issue, if you use as a manager, and then you need to reach out to the Google support for this. So I hope this answers your question query. But if you need a professional help for Google Ads verification, we at Aarswebs.com offer this. The link is mentioned in the description of this video on how you can reach me and my team to get your Google Ads advertiser verification done. We are a Google partner company, been in this field for years and can help you. So if you want our services to get your Google Ads verification done, just simply click on the link in the description and then get started with my team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you as well. Take care. Bye bye.